So you have some rules given for you when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given in page number 61. You have to read it. That is, there is an example 2. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD when given that BC is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 5 centimeter. The diagonal AC is equal to 5.5 centimeter and diagonal BD is equal to 7 centimeter. First of all, you have to draw a rough figure or a rough quadrilateral using these values. That is figure 4.10. You can see in page number 61. There is a rough figure of our quadrilateral is drawn there. So first of all, you have to draw that figure. Before that, you have to draw the heading of, I think you have to draw this in your back side of your textbook or in your rough book. That's enough. Okay. Because we have to write more notes. Okay, Sean, okay. That is, first of all, you have to take your geometrical box. You need compass, set square, protractors, and so on. Okay, what about others? Do you have a geometrical box?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then you just draw the rough figure of the given values.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, can you see the video?
Yes, miss.
Yes. This is the first way in which when 4 sides are, one diagonal is given. I'm just playing it for you. This is the method through which we have drawn a quadrilateral or constructed a quadrilateral when 4 sides and one diagonal given. First of all, we have to draw. That's not working. First of all, we have to draw the diagonal, and then using compass, we have to draw arcs of length each sides. That is the method through which we have constructed a quadrilateral when 4 sides and one diagonals are given. And in this second case, we have to draw or construct a quadrilateral and we have 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Okay, then first of all, what's our first step? In your textbook, you can see there is a step 1. Draw triangle ACD using construction. What is SSS construction? What is this SSS construction? പേടിക്കണ്ട ഒന്നുമില്ല നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ കോമ്പസ് ഒക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ട് കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്യില്ലേ യൂസിങ് ആർക്സ് ദാറ്റ്സ് ഇറ്റ് SSS എന്ന് കണ്ടിട്ട് കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവണ്ട പേടിക്കണ്ട ഓക്കെ then first of all we have to draw the triangle ACD. How will you draw the triangle ACD? Before that, I am just drawing the rough figure. I think you are all drawn the rough figure. Okay. And also we need 2 diagonals. Okay. Then what is the name of this quadrilateral? ABCD. I'm just naming this as AB. Did you all draw a rough figure? AB, CD. Okay, we have the rough figure of quadrilateral ABCD. And what is the length of AB? What is the length of AB? The length of AB is not given. And what about the length of BC? The length of BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter. Okay, then what is the length of CD? The length of CD is equal to 5 centimeter. The length of CD is 5 centimeter and the length of AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. And also we know the length of the diagonals. And that is BD is equal to, what is the length of BD? BD is given as 7 centimeter. BD is given as 7 centimeter. And what about AC? What about AC? AC is given as, what is the length of AC? 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter. Using this, we have to construct our quadrilateral. So, in first step, first of all, what was our first step? Draw triangle ACD. Which is our triangle ACD? The triangle ACD. How will I draw this triangle ACD? How will I draw this triangle ACD? First of all, we have to draw the line AC. So, first of all, using scale, you have to draw a line of length 7 centimeter. That is the line AC. The line of length 7 centimeter. That is AC.
Mrs. DB अल्ले.
We are
DB.
drawing the triangle ACD. Okay, we are just drawing the triangle ACD. Look at your rough figure. Which is the triangle ACD? This is the triangle ACD. For drawing this triangle, first of all, we are drawing the side AD. Sorry, AC. It's AC, not AD. It is AC. Okay, it is AC. And what is the length of AC? Length of AC is 7 centimeter. Okay, now we have drawn the length, the side or the diagonal AC first. And after that, first of all, we have to construct the triangle ACD. Is it?
Miss,
Yes.
length of AC is 5.5 centimeter.
Length of AC is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, thank you. The length of AC is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so first of all, you have to draw a line of length 5.5 centimeter. That is AC. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So first of all, you have to draw a line AC of length 5.5 centimeter in your notebook. Okay. Did you complete it? Okay. After that, you have to take your compass. After that, you have to take your compass. And now first of all, we are constructing the triangle ACD. That is ACD. Now we have drawn the side AC of length 5.5 centimeter. Next, we have to find the vertex D. For finding the vertex D, what is the length of AD? What is the length of AD? The length of AD is 5.5 centimeter. Is it? The length of AD is 5.5 centimeter. So you have to take 5.5 centimeter in your compass. All of you, please take your compass. Diya, where's your compass?
Sorry, do you have? എനിക്കെല്ലാ മെസ്സേജും വായിച്ചാ
I can't get your sound.
മിസ് ഇന്ന് മേടിക്കണം.
Okay, okay. I have already told you to buy a compass as early as possible. Okay. Okay. Did you take 5.5 centimeter in your compass? Yes. After taking 5.5 centimeter in your compass, you just place your compass at A. The sharp edge of your compass have to place at A and mark an arc like this. Mark an arc like this. By placing the pointer of the compass at A, you have to draw an arc like this. Okay. Okay, did you complete it? All of you?
Yes.
Okay, then what is the next side of our triangle? The next side of our triangle is CD. Then what is the length of CD? What is the length of CD?
5 centimeter.
It is 5 centimeter. So you have to take 5 centimeter in your compass. You have to take 5 centimeter in your compass. After taking 5 centimeter, you have to place your compass at C. You have to place your compass at C and make an arc like this. By placing the compass at C, you have to mark an arc like this. Now, our both arcs would be intersect. That point of intersection should be the vertex D. That point of intersection should be the vertex D. So, now we get the vertex D, and after getting the vertex D, we have to join AD and DC. After getting the vertex, you just have to join AD and DC. And we know the length of AD is equal to 5.5 centimeter. And the length of CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Now we get the triangle ACD. We get the triangle ACD. Okay, did you complete it? Did you complete it? Did you complete it? Everybody, okay.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay, that's fine. And after that, we are going to find the vertex B. Now we have to find the vertex B. How will you find the vertex B? How will you find the vertex B? For finding the vertex B, we only have the lengths of DB and CB, or BC or BD. So, starting with the D, take 7 centimeter in your compass. Take 7 centimeter in your compass. Take 7 centimeter in your compass. You have to take 7 centimeter in your compass, and after taking 7 centimeter, you have to place your compass at D. You have to place your compass at D. After placing 7 centimeter, you have to, after taking 7 centimeter, you have to place your compass at D and mark the arc like this. Mark an arc like this.
Miss, C-laano compass വെക്കേണ്ടത്?
No, we have to place the compass at D because we are going to draw the line DB, BD or DB. The length of BD or DB is chosen as 7 centimeter. That is the second diagonal. That's why we are starting with the D and we are chosen 7 centimeter in your compass. And after that, placing on D, we have drawn an arc. Okay. And then for finding the vertex B, we only know the length of BC. What is the length of BC? What is the length of BC?
4.5 centimeter.
It is
4.5.
4.5 centimeter. So next you have to choose 4.5 centimeter in your compass. Next you have to choose 4.5 centimeter in your compass. Okay, did you choose 4.5 centimeter in your compass? All of you.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, after choosing 4.5 centimeter in your compass, you have to place your compass on C. You have to place your compass on C, and after that you have to draw an arc like this. You have to draw an arc like this. Did you get? Did you get it? The point of intersection?
Miss, 2 ലൈനും joint ആവുന്നില്ല.
Okay, if you have the problem of without joining the line, first of all, you have to choose 7 centimeter again. You have to choose 7 centimeter again in your compass. Okay, did you choose 7 centimeter again? Did you choose 7 centimeter again? Yes, after that, again, you have to place your compass on D. Place your compass on D.
Miss, finish.
Okay, after placing the compass, you have to extend the arc, the first arc we have drawn. You just extend your first arc. And after that, you will get the point of intersection. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Did you get the point of intersection? Yes. What's the name of our point of intersection? It should be the vertex B. It should be the vertex B. So we get the vertex B. So after that, we have to join AB and BC. How will you join AB and BC? You just draw a line segment from A to B and then a line segment from B to C. Okay, now we get a quadrilateral ABCD of given measure, that is the length of, just a second, the length of, what is the length of BD? What is the length of BD? BD is of 7 centimeter. BD is of 7 centimeter. And we know that the length of AB is equal to, length of AB is not given. And what about the length of BC? Length of BC is 4.5 centimeter. This is the required quadrilateral. Okay, did you get the required quadrilateral? All of you?
Yes.
Show me your quadrilateral. Okay, Sean. What about Ijaz? Okay, Anne Maria. Ijaz. Shreya. Faith. Sridev, are you okay?
Miss, screen black ആയിട്ട് മിസ് കാണുന്നുള്ളൂ.
Okay, I think it's your network issue.
Okay, now okay.
Okay. What about Shreya?
Miss, 1 minute, ഞാൻ line ഒന്ന് വരച്ചോട്ടെ.
Okay, okay. What about Ijaz? Okay, Ijaz, okay, that's fine. So we have constructed a quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. Is it? Which one is easier? 4 sides or 2 diagonal, or 2 diagonals and 3 sides? Which one is easier?
False.
4 sides and 1 diagonal. And we are moving to more complex sessions. That is, it's little bit complex than 4 sides and 1 diagonal. In this case, we have given only 2 diagonals and 3 sides. Then what we have to do when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given? First of all, we have to draw 1 diagonal, and after that we have to construct that respective triangle. Okay, and after that, from the vertex, we have to draw the second diagonal. Here, the second diagonal was BD. The length of BD is 7 centimeter. We have started with the vertex D. After drawing the second diagonal, we have another side. That is, the third side is given. That is the length of BC, which is 4.5 centimeter. And we are starting with the vertex C. We are choosing 4.5 centimeter in your compass, and we have drawn an arc. And the point of intersection will be our vertex B. After finding the 4 vertex, we can join them, and that would be our quadrilateral, required quadrilateral. Okay, using this concept, you have to draw some quadrilaterals, and you have some questions given for you in page number 62, exercise 4.2. That is, you have to draw 3 quadrilaterals. First one is quadrilateral LIFT, and the second one is quadrilateral GOLD. Don't read it as lift or gold. It should be quadrilateral LIFT and quadrilateral GOLD. And the third one is rhombus BENT. What is the specialties of a rhombus? What is the specialties of a rhombus?
4 sides are equal.
4 sides are equal. And another one? Here we have a rhombus BENT. So first of all, you have to draw a rough figure of it, and after that you will get an idea of constructing that rhombus. Okay, then you can do it as your next hour, that is before 12:15. That is, we have exercise 4.2. You can draw it in your notebook itself. Okay. Next, our third case, that is, yes, Sean?
Homework ആയിട്ടാണോ അതോ റഫ് ആയിട്ടാണോ?
You can do it as your homework. You can, you just draw it in your notebook itself. You just write the chapter name after the section name. Construction of quadrilateral when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. And exercise 4.2, after that you have to construct them.
Miss,
Okay, do you have any doubt in this?
റഫ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയാ മതിയോ?
Yes.
മിസ് ഞാൻ റഫ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതിയാ മതിയോ? ബാക്കി നോട്ട് എഴുതാനുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
Okay, if you have to complete some note, you can write as your rough book itself, but it's don't worry about them. Okay. Okay, then what's our third case? In first case, we have discussed about construction of quadrilateral when 4 sides and 1 diagonals are given. And the second case, we have 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. And what's our third case? In our third case, 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known. 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are known. What we have to do here? We have to construct a quadrilateral, and we have given 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Do you have any idea about it? Yes, then Sean, how will you construct this quadrilateral? We have 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? You just try. Okay, then what about others? Do you have any idea? Okay, and here is a question for you. That is, construct a quadrilateral MIST where MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and angle M is equal to 75 degree, angle I is equal to 105 degree, and angle S is equal to 120 degree. As usual, first of all, we have to draw a rough figure. We just draw a rough figure of the quadrilateral MIST. I'm just going to draw a rough figure of quadrilateral MIST. Okay, then just naming this. Here the vertex is M, I, S and T. The vertices are M, I, S and T. Then we have given two adjacent sides. Which are the adjacent sides given for us? MI and IS. MI and IS. Then what is the length of MI? The length of MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. And what is the length of IS? It's equal to 6.5 centimeter. We have given the two adjacent sides MI and IS. The length of MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter and the length of IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to construct this quadrilateral, and before that we have given three angles also. Which are the angles we have given? Angle M, angle I and angle S. Then what is the measure of angle I? What is the measure of angle I? Measure of
105
angle I is
degree.
equal to 105 degree. 105. Then what about measure of angle M? What about measure of angle M? Measure of angle M is equal to 75 degree. 75 degree. And what about measure of angle S? What about measure of angle S?
120 degree.
It is 120 degree. This is the rough figure of the quadrilateral MIST. We have given two adjacent sides and three angles. We have drawn a rough figure of this quadrilateral. Now we are going to check what is this procedure or steps included to the construction of this quadrilateral MIST. So the steps are given for you in page number 63. Look at the first step. What we have to do in our first step? How do you locate the point? What choice do you make for the base and what is the first step? What should be our first step?
Single line 65.
We have two sides, two adjacent sides, and we have to choose either MI or IS as our base. Okay, here we are going to draw the line MI. First of all, we are going to draw the line MI. What is the length of MI? The length of MI is equal to
3.5 centimeter.
3.5 centimeter.
3.5 centimeter. So first of all, we have drawn the length, side MI, and we know that the length of MI is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Then we know the length of the side IS, is it? We know the length of the side IS. But before drawing the line or the side IS, you just have to make an angle 105 on I. You just take your protractors Take your protractor. Okay, did you take your protractors? And
I have no protractor.
okay, you just have to buy them. We need geometrical box in this chapter. Okay. Place your protractor on I. How will you place protractor on I? You just adjust the base of the protractor according to the line MI. So you just have to place the 0 at I. And after placing this protractor at I, you just have to mark. 105 degree. That should be, that may be like this. Is it? You just have to mark the point according to 1.5 degree, 105 degree. And along these points, you have to draw a line of length 6.5 centimeter. That should be passing through the marked point without changing angle. You just have to draw a line starting from I, which is passing through our marked point of length 6.5 centimeter. What should be our length? Length should be 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. And we know that the angle I is equal to 105. 105 degree. This angle is 105 degree. And now we get the line MI, and what is this line? What is this name? It is IS, and we can mark this vertex as S. So we have drawn two sides of our quadrilateral, and after that you just place your protractor on S. You just place your protractor on S. You just place your protractor on S and mark the angle. How much is the angle? It is 120 degree. After placing your protractor on S, you just have to mark the angle 120 degree. That may be of like this. Just mark the point matching with 120 degree. Okay, then what is the length of ST? Do you know the length of ST? Do you know the length of ST?
6.5 centimeter.
Is it 6.4 centimeter? We only know the length of MI and IS. That's only given for us. MI and IS. Now we have to find the vertex T. Is it? We have to find the vertex T, and we have drawn. You just draw a line joining this 120 degree point and the vertex S. The vertex S. And after that, we will get this angle. We will get this angle as, how much is this angle? It is 120 degree. It is 120 degree.